Good morning. This video is just to show you how I'm grading your assignments. Okay, so I want to access your assignment to download and grade. I will download it. Okay, this is not an Excel file, so I'm not going to be able to open it. So this is not going to work. All right, it just happened randomly. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go to another person. That one was done with Mac operating system. This does not work. Okay, that's a Mac spreadsheet. It's not Excel spreadsheet. I'm not gonna accept that. Okay, so let me download this person here. Okay, that's also is not a spreadsheet. I'm not gonna accept that one. This is a different spreadsheet, so I'm not gonna accept it. So you can see it's ODS. It's a different system. Now this is an Excel sheet. Holy camole. 2 on the road. All right. So only going to accept Excel spreadsheet or Excel workbook. So I'm going to download it. I'm going to enable editing. You're only responsible for editing that after HW Black worksheet. So I'm going to go to H1. I want to make sure this actually works. So I'm going to hit Control Accent. Shows me all the formula. The same thing here. Good job. Good job. No, this particular students did it correctly. So I'll go ahead and do the rubrics. That's how I'm going to grade your assignments. Okay. So luckily we had 2 assignments turned in with different application than Excel. I'm not going to accept that. Okay. You need to turn in Excel files as instructed. Take care. And if you have any questions, please let me know.